Hiya guys, I'm Emmy. If you're new to the show, you'll not have seen me before, but if you've been around a little while, you'll know that every single time I come home, I always like to pop into the workshop and say hello to all of the viewers and thank you all for the support you give my dad and his YouTube channel. It really does mean a lot. Continue watching, like and subscribe. And if you don't forget, most importantly, to enter the Artec welding competition. You never know, you could be in with the chance of winning a prize. I hope you enjoy the show. All the best for the new year. See you again soon. Bye.
Thanks for that, Emmy. It's always nice to have you home. It's always a pleasure to see you in the shop. As Emmy said, the Artec MiG 180 giveaway still has 2 days to go. There's a link in the description box to this video. If you follow the link, you'll be able to enter the completely free contest. The Extreme Christmas giveaway, which was a little inverter stick welder and the helmet and all the bits and pieces, was won, and the lad that won it kindly sent a short video in to show it in his workshop. I'm going to put that on now.
Hello everybody, welcome to my shed. Just a quick thank you to John at Double Boost and Rob at Extreme Plasma, my prize at the Christmas draw on Double Boost channel. Gonna have a quick play with it. Just remember, I'm not a welder, I'm just a bloke in a shed. Let's have a quick go. There we go. A grinder and paint. Make me the welder I ain't. Cheers.
That was great. Thanks for taking the time to do that for us. I really appreciate it. The method of drawing the raffles is much better using electronic method. I think it's a lot fairer as well. So the whole bucket full of names is going to be dumped. I've already got, I think it's 400 entries in for this month's giveaway, so it's definitely going to work. Tonight's video, I do a little bit of machining some aluminium. I make a plug to go into a sump, a welding sump plug bung. And I do a little bit of work for myself. I modify my outside vise, and I do a little bit of maintenance work on one or two of my angle grinders. I hope you find all that sort of thing interesting. The jet engine's coming on quite well. I've got quite a lot done. There's 2 or 3 more videos up on Patreon now, and I'm going to put a new video up on here on Tuesday night when I do the draw for the Artec MiG 180. This is the first job of the new year on the lathe. It's a nice straightforward little aluminium job. It's a blank to weld into a sump for a sump plug. It's unusual that I've got an aluminium job to do. When the lathe's covered in aluminium, it normally waits until I clean it. So it's just a bush with a 20mm threaded hole through the centre, 2 diameters. I'll make 2, which is easy to make 2 when I'm on. And we'll see what we'll get in from there. It's running nice and true. I do like this 3-jaw chuck. It really was a good investment. It's going to turn that tip round it past its best that. Get to use 4 corners on these, those 2 and those 2, and even 2 holes actually I can cut the other 4 as well. Got a real good chip breaker on these, and I find them really good for aluminium. Tip on there. Very slightly below centre, I will lift it up. 2.5. Also again, input. Tap, so it's cutting the thread quite nicely. I've also got the tap down in the collet chuck, not just an ordinary drill chuck. The collet chuck gets a much tighter hold, it's more accurate as well, but it also means you can reverse it. The key this type of chuck I normally use does not like beauty balls. Nice sharp clean threads inside of there. In case I will part it off, make another one and then place the both off. Place of the nail chuck to line up the bottom tool. Just like that. So it's like partner line literally, but it tries to weld itself to the tool. I haven't got the special tools for actually tips for aluminium, so just take it nice and steady. Starting to make a warning noises there. That's what happens at yourself to the tip. Make that one, we'll do another one, and then machine them both off, and that's the job done. One subplug bush, one subplug bush. I run a tap through the ends to make sure I haven't grabbed that in, but it should be good to go.